Welcome back to the channel. Well, here you have all the colors that we are going to use for this project. Actually, it's one for each of them, but I'm going to make them all and I'm going to show them to you all so you decide, and also we will see with which yarn is more visible the work. Then I have here between a 3.5 and a 4mm hook. I think I'm going to go for the 3.5 just for the purpose that I want this to be really tight and small. But I might go sometimes for a 4 as well and make it quite loose and maybe flatter. It's a bookmark. It's meant to be flat and soft, yeah? Some scissors, tapestry needle. Grab my purple one. We're gonna start with this one. Let's see if it's good for the video. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to change it and I don't want to. The challenge of these videos that I wanna share now are gonna be projects that you can do in under 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna teach you projects that you can do in under 10 minutes. This one, I believe I can do it in under 5 minutes. Wish me luck. So, first of all, I know obviously this video is going to be a little bit longer than that, but I have my timer, which you're going to be able to see it all the time. I have my yarn, obviously. Let's don't be too picky. I'm just preparing everything. I'm going to put away the rest of my materials, and I'm going to have my hook. I'm choosing the 4 right now, and we're getting ready. I'm gonna be explaining to you how to do it, but if you have no idea about crochet, I suggest you go and watch my full course, and then you will be able to know how to do the stitches we're gonna do today, which is chains, inside the magic ring, double crochets, treble crochets, slip stitches, and that's it. That's all what we're doing. I have my notes as well to try to be as fast as possible. So if you see a paper popping around here, it's my notes, okay? We're gonna start with a magic ring. I'm gonna explain this for just a moment for who don't know how to do it and why we do it like this. So look, you're gonna hold it with your thumb and your index, and you're gonna put it around your index and your middle finger, quite loose, and you're gonna make an X. It's really similar to the slip knot. You put it like that. What I like to do is I like to go under there and pull it. There is my ring. If I was to pull it all, it will become a slip knot. But no, that's not what we want. You can kind of let it go as long as you're holding there, okay? You're holding that, you're not letting go. And I like to make one chain always, and that secures my magic ring. There's no way that's going anywhere right now, okay? So that's how you will do a magic ring. So start doing it. I've done it already. But rather than that one, which normally that doesn't count as anything, this time we're actually gonna start with 4 chains. So let's put our timer on, and we are doing everything really quick. So we are chaining 4. 1 is done, 2, 3, 4. 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. 4 treble crochets, yarn over twice. That is 1. That is, my tail. That is 2. 3. And 4. Now 1 double crochet. Sorry, I put it twice. 1 double crochet. There we go. Now 1 slip stitch. And now we copy all the other sides. 1 double crochet. Now 4 treble crochets. I don't know why the screen of my phone keep coming off, and it's getting a little bit irritating, especially for this type of videos. Why is it doing that? I mean, it's not like I'm gonna stop the video, so you're gonna be able to see that I'm showing it to you straight away what I'm doing. We are in the 4 treble crochets, okay? I've done 3 already. There we go with the 4th, and then we're doing 3 double crochets. So there goes 1, there goes 2, there goes 3. Then we are pulling, our heart is done. We're going to the top of the first one, and we're doing in there 1 slip stitch. Now I'm chaining 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Now we're gonna go to the 4th from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna do, sorry again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we're gonna do 2 double crochets on the same stitch. 1 and 2 in there. Now we're gonna chain 2, 1, 2, and we're gonna go to that one in there, and we're gonna slip stitch in there. We're gonna chain 1, scissors, fast enough, and it's made in under 5 minutes. That's only 3 minutes to be done, but let's finish it together. Okay, so then we pull our heart really tight. Then we're gonna take our tapestry needle in here, and we're gonna stitch this around to hide away our tail. It should be quite difficult to do it, okay? And that is good. Look, we're still inside the time frame that I put myself into, which it was 5 minutes. So you can see, absolutely, yes, you can do this type of project in less than 5 minutes. So if you invest, I will say half an hour, or if you invest 1 hour on this project, imagine how many of them can you do. So 4 minutes, obviously I'm taking my time. I could go a little bit faster, but I don't really have to fully hide this away to have it done. I could just easily come here and be like, bye, done. And then obviously I don't like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through here and through there. I don't normally like those gaps. And I'm gonna do like this. And then another thing that I wanna do to create some shape, I'm gonna kind of go, what has happened in here? Why I don't like that? There we go, that's a lot better. And then now I'm gonna go inside again one more time, just to kind of hide it. It's changed, you don't really, and look, I'm even playing around, I'm even pausing and everything, and we're still inside the challenge time, which is amazing. There we go. So yes, you can take your time actually with hiding all your tails. You don't have to rush for that. But exactly 5 minutes, we're gonna stop it now. It's done. Absolutely done. Your heart bookmark. Your beautiful heart bookmarked. Maybe you didn't understand anything. Well, you're gonna be able to found this in some shorts, and I'm gonna put the link to the pattern in the description box down below, which you can get it for free, and then you will be able to read how to do it. But it's really simple. I'm gonna say it one more time so you can write it down. Magic ring with chain 4, then you're gonna do 3 double crochets, 4 treble crochets, 1 double crochet. That's half of the heart. Then you slip stitch here, okay? Then you're gonna do 1 double crochet, 4 treble crochets, 3 double crochets, slip stitch. Then you chain either 30, 40, or 50, depends how long your book is. And then on the 4th chain, you're gonna do 2 double crochets, chain 2, slip stitch, and close it. So it just looks like that. That's all what you have to do. So easy peasy. I hope you like it. It was really fun to do this challenge, to be honest. And check on our Instagram so you can see all the colors finished, so you can see how beautiful these rainbow bookmarks are. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.